Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking to watch this video. If you are new to my channel, hi there, my name is Tammy. Welcome. Please do stick around and I hope you enjoy this video. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe and also like the video and comment down below what you like about this video. I make videos on natural hair, makeup, and also lifestyle vlogs and the other things here and there that I find interesting to share. I hope you'll be inclined to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So as you guys already know, today's video is an unboxing of my daughter's infant car seat. I already have one for my son when I had him, but it's like in the basement and I just kind of felt like I wanted her to have something new, not necessarily used. I don't know. It's the middle child in me, where we get passed down a bunch of stuff, and I just feel like I'd rather have something new. A few things that are old or used are good too, which she does have, but I kind of wanted a new car seat. I didn't buy this, thank God. My sister, my big sis, bought this for her, and I'm really happy and thankful. Thank you so much, sis, for getting this for her. And this was actually on my baby registry list. I just sent her the link and she was able to purchase it, and it was delivered directly to me. So if you're inclined to bless her with something on the list, that would be great. You could check in the description box below of this video, and I think a couple of my other videos too, where I have the link for the baby registry in the description box if you wanted to bless us with anything. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Well, yeah, so let's just get to this unboxing. My first time buying actual Chicco, this brand, and pretty much every car seat and strollers that I have purchased or that I received were all Greco, which is great, and I love them. My son still uses his Greco toddler one, I guess, that turns into a booster seat. It's like one of the best purchases I've made for that. So, oh yeah, I am 39 weeks or going on 39 weeks, gonna be delivering in about a week and a half, and I'm just I figured let me just unbox this and then get it prepared and ready for when we go to the hospital. But let's get into this unboxing here. I don't even know if it's too late to return it if everything isn't in there. Because sometimes when you buy something from stores and they send you either something that was repackaged and all the items are not in there, oh, that would suck. Alright, so it's a bit so you guys can see. Use the wall as a support. So this is it. It's gonna be heavy. Wow, this is nice. Let me see, maybe I'll stand up a bit. Alright, so you gotta pull it up. Yeah. Okay, this is everything in here actually. I'm gonna try to put it back in the bag when I do get it out. But wow, this is really cool. Comes with an instruction box here, instruction book here. This is the base. Okay, so the instruction is attached to the this chair. But let me tilt it a bit. This is so cute. Yeah, this is really cute. I like this. Feels nice, and it has okay, there we go. So it has that. So this color is it has a hint of pink. It's like a gray and pink, really, like a very light pink, and I like that. I think that's why I chose this anyway. So it has this on there too. When I did my what's in my hospital bag, I don't know if you guys have seen that, but in there I have a infant car covers in the bag. This should hopefully fit to cover the car seat. But this is pretty much it. I mean, it has all this thing here, the base is right here. I can detach it, and then the thing to make sure it's installed accurately. This is really nice. I'm so happy that I got something like this for her. Yeah, so that's it for opening this unboxing. I'm so glad that it came almost pretty much ready to just be installed into the car. And yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys that, and I'm hoping that maybe if I wanted to get the stroller, I could either get the Keyfit Caddy or the Bravo stroller to go with this infant car seat as baby girl grows, get older. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, I'm kind of tired, my back is starting to hurt a bit. But I want to just say thank you for watching. Please do like this video and also hit the subscribe button if you're yet to subscribe. Comment down below and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.